Once you are logged into Google Docs, you can then create all kinds of documents. In this tutorial, we're going to create a presentation. Over the left-hand side, click on the word Create, and then click on the word Presentation. The first screen you will see will have several themes. You can choose a theme, or you can uncheck the box that says Show for New Presentations. I'll choose the Simple Light theme, and then I'll click OK. You'll notice it looks a great deal like PowerPoint. The slide says Click to Add Title, and with my title listed, I can then highlight it, and up at the top in the menu bar, I can change my font style, I can change the font size, I can make it bold, italics, underline, and I can change the text color. When my first slide is complete, I can create a new slide over at the right-hand side in red that has the little plus sign that says New Slide, or I can click the down pointing arrow where I can add a slide that has a particular style. I'll select the title and 2 columns. And I'm going to add another title here. I'll put in Input Devices, and then I'll put a heading in each one. In the output column, you can do things like add numbers and bullets and so forth. If you want to add a picture to your slide, you can either use the little Insert Image button, or you can go to the Insert menu and select Image. In the center it says drag an image here, or if you prefer, choose an image to upload. The first one I'm going to show you is how you can drag it over there. To do that, you're going to have to resize your window a little bit and maybe move it out of the way. And if you have an image, just click and drag it. I'm dragging from my desktop right over to this location, and there's my image. It's uploaded now to Google Docs. I'll select to add another image. This time I will use the image button, but I get the same screen, and this time I won't drag it. I'll choose an image to upload. So I clicked that blue button, and then I'll select an image, and it uploads it. And then you can resize it as necessary. If you want your slide to have a transition or some animation, you will select the Slide menu and the Change Transition option. And when you do that, at the right-hand side, you'll have a new little screen that appears that says Animation, Slide, No Transition. So I will open this drop-down box, and I will pick, I want it to fade in. And I can either make it slow, medium, or a fast fade. Let's change it to a medium phase. And I can apply this fade to all the slides at once if in fact I want all my slides to fade in at a medium speed. There are many other features on here, but just be sure that you just look through the menu bars, look through the button bars, and you will find a variety of things that are very similar to PowerPoint. Notice up at the top it says All Changes Saved, and it saved them under the name Untitled Presentation. Now I can go back to Google Docs right here and take my untitled presentation and rename it by either right-clicking on it and selecting the rename option, or check marking the little box next to it and then hitting the down arrow next to More and selecting Rename and hit OK, and there I have changed the file name. And that's how you create a very simple presentation in Google Docs.